Garment production is an organized activity consisting of sequential processes such as laying, marking, cutting, stitching, checking, finishing, pressing and packaging. This is a process of converting raw materials into finished products. Cutting. To cut many garments simultaneously, fabric is spread in layers one over the on a long table. This process is called spreading or laying. After spreading, marking done according patterns and then cutting with cutter. Cutting is one of the most important stage in the garment manufacturing process. Stitching. Stitching is the process whereby fabric is fashioned into a finished product by means of different sewing techniques. The stitching stage holds extreme significance to ensure that the product takes its shape according to requirements. In itself a highly specialized field, stitching requires care and precision. Sewing is the most important operation in the process of garments making or other similar product. Sewing means joining of different parts of garments with the use of needle and thread. Without needle and thread, we can also make garments by using alternative methods of joining like adhesive, welding, etc. Generally there are two things involved in sewing process, i.e., stitches and seams. Sewing is the most important among all the processes of garments joining. The main purpose of sewing is to produce seam. Finishing. 1. Thread trimming. In the stitching department, thread trails and thread chains are not trimmed neatly. Uncut threads and thread tails in garments are trimmed in the finishing department by helpers. Uncut and loose threads on garments are considered defects. 2. Checking garments. All garments are checked at the finishing stage for visuals and measurement. Finishing checkers check the complete garment inside and out. Checking is done for garment detailing, such as care labeling, and trims. 3. Button attach and buttonholing. Products those have trimming like button, snap button, eyelets are attached in finishing section. 4. Removing stains. Stains and spots are found on garments. Spots are removed using a hand spot gun or by using a stain removing machine prior to pressing. Dust and stains can be removed by machine washing. So, many times finishing department wash garments inside department. 5. Repair work and mending. Defective garments may need to repair for stitching and fabric defects. All repair activities are done in finishing department itself instead of sending defective garments to stitching department. 6. Ironing garments. Garments are ironed using a steam iron. This is done to remove creases in the garment. For knitted garments measurements are set by steam press. Vacuum pressing tables are used for garment pressing. 7. Folding and tagging. Pressed garments are folded in a specified dimension. Tags, such as price tags and hang tags, are attached to the garment by means of a Kimball gun or threads. 8. Packing garments. Finally, properly folded garments are packed into poly bags as per customer requirements. Individual poly bags are then packed into bigger cartons.